Privacy is not an option, and it shouldn't be the price we accept for just getting on the internet. This quote was from Gary Kovacs, the former CEO of Mozilla, and he highlights the importance of protecting our online privacy, staying anonymous online. There are several reasons why people might want to protect their identities online, some of which are to protect their personal information. You see, many people choose to hide their identities online to prevent their personal information from being accessed and misused by cyber criminals or other malicious actors. Some is just to avoid harassment. Some individuals may hide their identities online to avoid harassment, cyberbullying, or other forms of online abuse. Some is just to maintain some privacy. These people choose to hide their identities online to maintain their privacy and prevent their online activities from being tracked and monitored. For some, is to express themselves freely. Some hide their identities online so that it can provide them a sense of anonymity that allows them to express themselves more freely without fear of judgment or backlash. Some people may choose to hide their identities online to avoid unwanted attention from employers, colleagues, or other individuals. I'm here to share with you 16 tips and strategies for staying completely anonymous online. The first way to stay anonymous online is to use a virtual private network to encrypt your internet traffic and hide your IP address. The second way is to use a privacy-focused browser like Tor or Brave browser, which are designed to protect your privacy by blocking third-party cookies and preventing tracking. You can also use a pseudonym instead of your real name when creating accounts online. You should avoid using your real email address for online activities. Instead, create a separate email address to use for your online account. Then 5, you can use strong passwords for each online account and use a password manager to generate and store passwords securely. 6, use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. 7, avoid sharing personal information online, such as your address, your phone number, or your date of birth. 8, use encrypted messaging apps like Signal or Telegram to keep your messages private and secure. Use anonymous search engines like DuckDuckGo and StartPage, which do not track your search history or collect your personal information. 11, avoid using public Wi-Fi networks. Instead, use a personal hotspot or a VPN to connect to the internet. 12, use a privacy-focused operating system like Tails or Cubes OS, which are designed to keep your activities anonymous and secure. 13, disable location services on your device to prevent your location from being tracked by websites and apps. 14, be careful when sharing photos and videos that reveal your location or other identifying information. 15, avoid using social media platforms which are designed to collect and share your personal information. 16, use anonymous payment methods such as privacy-oriented cryptocurrencies to make online purchases without revealing your identity. In conclusion, protecting our online privacy and staying anonymous online is essential in today's digital age. By taking these steps and remaining vigilant about our online activities, we can help safeguard our personal information and maintain our privacy online. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe to this channel. You can comment, like, and share the video. Thank you and see you in the next video.